Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your email in Swagbucks. First, log into your Swagbucks account using your current credentials. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings or profile section. Look for an option that allows you to manage or update your personal information, specifically your email address. This is usually found under A Settings or My Account tab, making it easy to locate and begin the process. After locating the email update option, carefully enter your new email address into the designated field. You will then be prompted to re-enter the new email to confirm its accuracy. Once confirmed, Swagbucks will send a verification link or code to your old email address. This step is crucial for security and to ensure you are the legitimate account holder. Open the email sent to your old address and click the verification link provided by Swagbucks. This action confirms your request to change the email. You might then be redirected to the Swagbucks website. Log in using your new email address and your existing password. Your Swagbucks account will now be officially linked to your updated email, completing the process. Always ensure your new email address is active and that you have full access to it before making the change. If you encounter any difficulties or have questions during the process, don't hesitate to contact Swagbucks customer support for assistance. They are there to help you. Also, for an amazing home upgrade, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to keep your space spotless.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.